Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI project management platform, which is Project Simple AI. So talking about Project Simple AI makes managing project effortless with its clean design, real-time insight, and a smart automation. It's great for teams that want clear task visibility and AI-powered forecast without extra setup. The interface is beginner friendly and progress tracking feels smooth and efficient. However, it's mainly tailored for product and engineering teams, not general business use though. Some integrations are limited, but the AI features make it up for good. So in my own opinion, Project Simple AI is fast, intelligent choice for teams that want productivity with less hassle. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.